going to start by getting rid of the lining in the corners just to try to figure out exactly where the leaks are coming from. It's definitely damp in this corner. I've just finished taking it out this area and it looks damp down here, right in the middle. And while I've been focused on the corners, Hayden's done a nice front beam that would work better than the one I did. Maybe while Hayden's got all the power tools out, I should cut a piece for this area. Oh, a nice looking spider up there. For the eggs. Oh, Hayden's done a good job here, I think. Something I would not have even considered doing. What do you think? Is it even worth putting up? I think this used to have a light here, but I'm going to repurpose it. I want it to be here instead. I don't know. I feel like now that Hayden bought a new part, so this electric sander's up and running again, I feel like I should finish sanding the exterior. I don't really want to, but it'll be a boring job finished. The multi-tool is amazing.
That's for getting into tight corners.
Ah, yay!
It's not just for like going like that.
No. Exactly what I've needed. That's pretty. to finish the door, we need to put the lining on next to the door, which means I need to put in the power, and we need to sort out the shelving, put in the lining, put in a couple more structures for strengthening the area. Hayden's suggested that the shelf bit of wood should be the other way around for structural strength. And I don't know, I got the plastic chair in, so I seem to be sitting okay. Just a bit nervous that people who have longer bodies than me are going to be like bumping their head on the shelf.
So that's the same height as the one that's in the UK caravan?
Yeah. I am aware that having a seat here is going to mean it's going to block off part of this locker, isn't it? So there's two types of flowers. This one's coming up, and this one's got the very first tiny shoot. I've actually got a lot of the lights from dual-com technology. I'm super excited about this one because it's got a USB port on the base, so I'll be able to charge my phone while sitting down. It's pretty flash. It's actually nicer than my UK caravan lights. But I got this out to measure the base so that I know where to drill a hole to add the wire. So after talking about how I don't want to make any more holes in the structure of the caravan, Hayden's making some more holes in the structure of the caravan. He thinks it'll be a neater way of getting the power there. Don't know, it just goes against the grain. So I just put this in, but it's uneven. So we're gonna have to take this out again. My first bit of insulation. It's pretty exciting. I think I like doing this part. Much more enjoyable than, say, sanding. I realised last night I hadn't finished sanding after all. I hadn't done the roof part where the paint had dripped when I painted the roof and tried the spray gun. So I'm going to sand it, get it ready for a new coat of paint. Rather Hayden than me trying to figure that out.
It's time for you to do your thing.
What's my thing?
The insulation
Insulation. Oh, at the top.
at the top.
Cool. Right, I've added the top section. Even a tiny little triangle there.